Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial, we will learn how to move tracks around in Shotcut. I'm using the latest version, Shotcut 19.8.16. It's a cool tool as most of work on it. It's open source. The one constant problem I face all the time is ability to move tracks around. So what I'll do is I import one video track. So it's V1 by default. We can rename it differently, but let's go with what it is right now. Then I'm importing another audio clip, and I'll add another audio track and then select the track and hit this button. So the audio track is here. So this is good. Video tracks are preferably be at the top and then followed by audio track. Now let's assume I'm doing some cuts on the video clip, and I don't want my audio in the video track to be played in all areas, but in portions I want the original sounds to be retained. So what I'll do detach audio, which is generally created in a different audio track called A2. Now in the long run I might employ multiple clips, and I want this audio, the newly detached audio, to be at right below the original tracks which are there at V1. So essentially I want to move A2 above A1, which is currently not available, or I don't know, is there any shortcut that I'm not aware of, because I tried different options, cutting, pasting, but I don't see that option here. I can remove a track, I cannot drag and drop, I can move around. So I had to find a different route. So what I did is I renamed it to A0 first to start with for easy identification. Now I'll save the project somewhere in my project, version 1. Okay, in this version 1, the A1 is in second position and A0 is at the third position. Now I want to flip them. That's the purpose of this exercise. So let me exit the shortcut, and here is the version 1 MLT file that we have. Let me open with a text editor, preferably Notepad++. That's right. So we are in the right file. Now it's a big XML file having different tags and different areas, cards. Basically the entire project is handled in this XML. So you will see a tag called tractor mostly at the bottom, which will have some subtracks like this. Track producer background, leaving that aside, we have playlist 0, playlist 1, playlist 2. Now you will find two places this particular string, playlist 0. Let's try to find. Yeah, you see it here, playlist ID playlist 0, which is video track, which is on the top, which is right. Then so remember, the position in this tractor ID and the playlist index will decide in which position the playlist should be. Now the second playlist, which is indexed 1, is nothing but A1, which is right. And then at this point, the A0, which is right above this ID, is here, which is positioned at 3. Now our motive is to move this above this tag. So let's start by moving the tag 1 position up. So now we have 3 tracks aligned again, playlist 0 followed by playlist 2 followed by playlist 1. But that doesn't change the behavior in the front end, because you still need to update the indexes. So how we do that? Let's take the one which we want to update. In this case, playlist 2, let's rename it to playlist 2A. Okay, temporarily. So let me replace all. Remember to note only 2 occurrences were replaced in this entire Excel file. That's what we want to do, like editing here and here. Now it's done. So now we want to replace it or move it above A1 track, which is playlist 1. So let me replace that with 2. Why 2? Because we have 3 tracks altogether. Playlist 0 is unchanged. Playlist 2A is soon going to be playlist 1. So we want playlist 1 to become playlist 2. A simple variable replacement. So now 2 occurrences were replaced, which is done. Now there is no playlist 1 in entire Excel. So we can safely move playlist 2A to 1. They are aligned, and playlist 1 is A0 and playlist 2 is now A1. Let's see this in action. Let me save the file, important. Then go back, open the shortcut. There you go. The voice A1 track is now at the bottom. A0 track is right below the V1 track. And let's experiment by detaching another clip, which is expected to be on A0. There you go. Save the file and you're good to go.